What I wish I knew before getting a cat. It thinks my kitchen table is its personal runway. So you've got a cat, and you've got a kitchen table, but you've also got a problem. Or do you? Some say it's a hygiene hazard. Hello, kitty germs. Others, well, they couldn't care less. Men often think it's downright disgusting. Women tend to be more forgiving. Maybe it's the charm of those fluffy paws. But hey, who needs an extra sprinkle of kitty litter on their toast, right? Imagine finding a furry gift next to your morning coffee. Delightful or dreadful? So what's your take? Is your cat the king of the kitchen table or banished to the floor? Comment down below and let the great debate begin.